Hello friends, in this video I will explain you about Blade template. What is a Blade template? Basically, Blade is a templating engine that is included with Laravel. You can also use your PHP code inside Blade template. Blade templates have file extension .blade.php and it is stored. I will show you the location of Blade template. Open your project. It is in resource folder, views, resource, views, this is your project, resources, views, this is your welcome.blade.php. Open this, start the project, cmd, go to your project directory, PHP artisan serve. Now copy this URL, go to your browser, paste here. This is your welcome page. Now in this we will create a master template and then we will extend that master template in other pages, because most of the pages in a website has a similar layout, and then we will extend that. So here in views we will create a new folder, layout. Okay, within this folder we will create layout.blade.php. okay, this will be our layout page and we will extend this layout page in other pages. Now we will go to Bootstrap site, get started, copy CSS and JS from here. Oh, I didn't copy, 1 minute. Copy JS. Now here type yield title. You will know about this in a moment. So this is our layout. Now we will extend this layout in other pages. Let's make an index page. Index page we will make it outside, not in the layout folder. index.blade.php. okay, now right here @extends your layout Blade template. It is in layout folder and then layout. Okay, then @section. See here we have defined title. Okay, now we will give the value of the title. Here is, this is our home page. Then @section container, then @end section. Okay, now go to your layout page and define here @yield container. So this container part will come from here. First your layout template will come because we extended that layout template. Then here the title value will come from here, and then here container part will come. Let's make 3 more files. In views we will make about us dot blade dot php, one more services service dot blade dot php, then one more contact us contact dot blade dot php. Okay, now we will make a navigation bar here. Go to your bootstrap, type here nav, copy the first navigation. Okay, so above navigation will come, and later on what you will define here, that one will come. So go to your layout page, remove the unnecessary things that you don't need in navigation bar. I don't need this. Wait, I need only home, rest I don't need. Okay, remove. Okay, save. Now copy this. We have three more how many pages? About, contact and service, 3. Okay, here about us, here service, here contact us, here contact, service, about, this will be our home. Here, see the contact spelling is wrong, change it, contact. Save the layout file. This is about us. Okay, now go to your index.blade, copy this, paste, paste, paste in all the files. Okay, now here type this is about us page. I will put an h1 tag. Save. Go to service, type here this is service page, save, type here this is contact page, and here this is website home page. Now we have to define the routes, and for routes you have to go to routes web.php, route, view, your URL is home, then for home you have to go to index view, then your about us, it will go to about us page, then service, it will go to service page, then contact, it will go to contact page. Save it, go here, type here home, see. From here, from layout, this nav bar is coming, and this is coming from your index page. Whatever is in this container, it is coming after the nav bar. See, when you will click on about us page, this is about us page. This is service page. This is contact page. Same thing. See, now layout is your master layout, and you are extending that master layout in other pages. So friends, this is all about Blade template. Hope you like this video. Thanks.